What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today I got a bonus video for y'all. A bonus video. I don't know what it is that got me into the old schools recently, but shout out to my dude Salim. He just picked up another damn Buick, and it looks like we're gonna be building another one. But look at this. Old Cadillac Eldorado, baby. She's got good bones. That's about all she got. That top is completely done and shot. You can see it completely done. 24,000 miles on the odometer, though. You can see the interior is pretty much stripped back here in the rear. This is all done and shot. This would make an interesting rim racing car, I think, though. And if you don't know what rim racing is, go check out the NRRA on Instagram. But yeah, this would make an interesting, I think, you know, people say that donk racing stuff's stupid. Well, okay, well, it makes money. And if making money is stupid, then I'm a retard. So, yeah. Crazy, man. That old school. Yeah. Crazy, though. Let's see if we can pop the hood. What year was this? The 73. Yeah, these had like the little lights up here, the little indicators to let you know like if your turn signals are on, high beams, low beams and stuff. That was a cool little thing that Cadillac did. Let's see. There's a release for this sucker here somewhere. Maybe it is in the car and then you got to lift from there. Maybe they started it from here. I think that's the brake release, though. Nope, hood. So this is maybe one of the first cars that had a hood release inside the car. Look at Cadillac being all innovative. Oh, come on. Oh my God. Oh, I just got my workout in for the day. Jesus Christ, that hood is heavy, man. Whew, $60 battery, so it's some aftermarket reman battery. Engine doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad at all. And it looks like it's original too. Huh. Not terrible. Yeah. Like I said, it'd be good. It's got good bones, but it is a heavy ass car too, and it's not like a 70 Impala or the Buicks of this age. I think they're a little lighter than this car. The Eldorado might be too heavy to actually race. The windows are down. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys this as a bonus video for you guys today. I thought it was cool. I haven't seen one like this since I was a kid. Not in this kind of body shape. The body's in really good shape. It needs a lot of work. There'd be a lot of stuff you have to get done to it. You know, the top, the interior, probably a bunch of mechanical stuff. Those ugly ass rims have to go. But overall, I mean, yeah, I like it. I like the color and everything already. Let me know, guys, if you guys think this would be a cool extra little project to drop on the channel. Let me know, you know, because stuff with the Buick Skylark is pretty much done. And I mean, there is another Buick coming, but I would like to get onto something like this that I could put together, and this would be a challenge to get this thing down the track pretty fast, huh? So Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. All right, guys, just a bonus video for you guys today here with that. You know, when I see cool stuff like that, if it's not something I put into the walk around, I'll put it into a bonus video. If you guys like it, let me know by smashing the thumbs up button. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as I said, this is a bonus video, so more than likely, you got another video coming later today. So with that said, I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.